What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm gonna go over the drawing kind of a cartoon bird, like kind of Angry Bird style. You're making kind of a fat triangle shape first. Little feathers sticking out at the top. You can do this for hair as well. The beak. Connected to the beak are the cheeks. Draw these gravestone shapes for eyes. Above that, the eyelids. Kind of a difference in pattern of the feathers. Little tiny wing. The foot can be almost an afterthought. Kind of cylindrical ball shapes with lines through them. And that is kind of a chicken, or really it's a chick. If you think about it, it could be any kind of different form of bird, but that's a really quick way to do it, guys. If you have any questions, please post them below. Thanks a lot.